Okay. For the record, welcome back everyone who's going to watch this stream. I don't know if you were a recurring viewers of mine, friend of mine, or maybe another new viewers. I welcome you. It's been a while since I did my latest stream because life caught me with a lot of things to do, working 9 to 5, family, and then we have a lot of ceremonials in Bali here. Hey brother, and here's my loyal friend Alpha Beer. Welcome back to the stream, brother. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. And within that blank period of time of me not streaming, I did trade and blown accounts, of course, because of I still lack discipline. Emotional psychology is not that good at the moment. That's why I decided to pause to take another challenges, and I just got another account giveaway from 100 peaks, and that still on pause too because I don't want to blow that. and within a couple of few days on Funded Peaks, they just announced that they're partnering up with Ali Khan ICT, if you guys know that. And I don't know the guy at the first glance, and then I searched for him. He also has a very new YouTube channel, which the upload was like a month ago, a couple of videos and shorts, and I dig to his content about ICT. And there's a ebook of PDF that you can find on his channel, videos, and also his website is completely free. That brings me back on the core of ICT. I read the full ebook and I kind of learned something new about that, and I really want to do backtesting on it because I believe I know like too much of ICT concept. Well, too much doesn't mean it's good, but that also mean that I'm like confused, and luckily I landed on that partnership of them with Ali Khan, and then I read the full ebook and now I got some clearance about it. I just did a couple of backtesting here, starting at $10,000 balance, and now I'm at 11.8, and this backtesting is for the February month, and I believe it's just around 10 days, I think. Yeah, Monday 12th February, and I skip a couple of days too because there was no trade, so yeah, around 10 or something days. I'm doing well, hey, can't complain. Yeah, it must be well all the time. No, you can't say it's bad. But if a man saying that life is going fine, well, I can't believe on that. Maybe you have something to tell me with, just write it down. I mean, how is your account? Already tradable for now, I think. Yeah, kind of. I joined the Pips Discord, and I see that they're good in the updates and stuff. Like a lot of prop firms also doing well with the migration and things. So well, yeah, you can tell me a story about yours too, and this is just me because I mean, in this video I wanna leave a trail on me backtesting this ICT model. So it's basically like the core, not the silver bullet, not the market model, market buy model or sell model or anything, whatever it is, not anything of that, but it's like the core of it. If you wanna get the ebook, you can just type Ali Khan ICT on YouTube, watch one of his video, and you will find, I believe, the link to the free ebook. And from this, so here is the ebook, like it get 35 pages, which is explaining about core of the ICT algorithm, AMD, FEG time, the swing, SMT, power of 3, PD arrays. And I believe ICT traders already know this, but for me, I haven't used this, like the blocks, right? Order blocks, breaker, mitigation, dealing range and stuff. So these are completely new to me. I've heard about it but haven't used it yet, and I'm surprised on how useful that is. As you can see, this account was from 10,000. I'm risking 2% on this, and then now it's like 11.8. So that's why I'm excited to share the live stream and the result too with you guys. So yeah, now back to it. So before, I was only utilizing time and the swing and the FEG, I believe, not so much with the AMD or even the algorithm and stuff. only utilize this to do the silver bullet, maybe some of the PD arrays. Power of 3, nah, not too much I think, but this is completely new to me. So why is it new? I've heard about that but haven't used it because I'm kind of confused on which one is that, because it's kind of confusing. As you can see here, I made my own what cheat what glossary. What do you say that if you are trying to make something less, even less? I mean, these ebooks are really less pages than the original ICT, but I made it even less just to be more compact to be read. So here, where's that? Breakers. So I was confused about the breaker, about the blocks, and don't know which one is which one until I read the ebook. Like, we have 3 main blocks, right? Order block, breaker block, and mitigation block. I was confused on which one is what because I don't know which one to form. The checklist for it was so biased for me that I don't know which one to be called what blocks. And after reading this ebook, I just feel like, oh, okay, I'll try this out. And I found out that order block is the last portion of candles that breach a liquidity. In this case is sell side. If it's a sell side liquidity being purged, then the last down candle or consecutive down close candle that breach those liquidity is the order block, while the the breaker block is the block that form after a swing high low has been made, and then the high in this case is bearish, so swing high and low has been made, and then the swing high got purged, and then the low also purged, and then with that the last down candle of that swing low is the breaker block. Okay, now the third is the mitigation block. The mitigation block is that block occurs after swing. This is also bearish. High and low has been made, and then the high does not get run. Instead, it make a lower high, and then the low of this is get run. Then the last downside candle of the low is the mitigation block. So the main condition that I observe different within the 3 of these blocks are order block mainly focus on the candles that wipe the liquidity with ignoring the swing high and low, just the candles that run the liquidity. That's the point of order block. The breaker block is the in case of bearish, the last down close candle before sorry, I was messed up with this. So breaker block is after a swing high and low has been made. Those high and low must be run first. The high and low must be run, and then the breaker block is the last down close candle before the swing low, and then the mitigation block is when after the high and low form, the next high is not breaching the previous high, and then that's a valid mitigation block. Okay, so like that. So order block is the candles that broke or purged the liquidity, either upside and downside. the breaker block must wipe the previous swing high and low, and then the mitigation block must not breach the previous swing high or low. It depends on is it bearish or bullish. So I hope that's clear enough. If it's not, you can just always revert to this ebook. And also I'm not using this quite yet. I only utilize this. So after this reading of the ebook, I came up with my models. This one. So it's just like a combination between one or two. So the time is going to be referring to the ICT kill zones, which on Forex is like, those timing we know. For London, it will be, where the fuck is that thing, my guy? Here. Okay, kill zones. For Forex, Asia is 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. London is 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York, blah blah blah. You got this. Okay, so that's the time that I'm working on. And then the strategy itself is, this is actually what I applied here on the backtesting, so you can trust me with this. So what I'm doing is, after I get into a certain kill zones, let's say that because I am sleeping on the Asia kill zone, that I skip that and then I jump the first time on the London. So this is gonna be started on London. I will mark the 15 minutes buy side and sell side, preferably the previous session high and low, which in this one is gonna be the Asia. And if I trade the AM, that's gonna be the London. And if the Asia was not yet run by the London, then I will also mark that. And then I'll set the alert on all of the liquidity, either the buy side or the sell side, and wait for it to be wiped. After that, I will focus on looking for blocks, either the order, breaker, or mitigation, supported by the FVG and other PD array like the maybe BPR, IFVG or stuff, that's it. So for the example itself, this is it. So I mark this, where is it? So this, as you can see, was Asia buy side, London buy side. This was not tapped, while this London low was wiped by this AM run of 9:30 and even before the 8:15, I believe, something. And after it run, I look for the blocks. I believe that I was stopped once here. I entered somewhere around here, but then the 9:30 just bridged my stop here and then comes back up and then comes back down. Then I scan back the market and I spot this mitigation block, bullish mitigation block, with the retracement back to the discount price. This is the new dealing range here. We'll retrace back to the discount, and then I entered this and I booked all of these profits. This was I believe this was yesterday's trade. I took on paper trading. This one. So the entry was on the mitigation block. The second entry could be also on this BPR, as you can see. This is a bearish and then bullish FVG, which create the BPR. That's also, and the tap back by this candle, that could be also the entry if you missed that one. So yeah, okay, I paused a bit because I'm studying on the new trading platform Max Trade. It's shitty because it crashes and refresh constantly. Maybe with time it will get better. They've got another platforms going. Oh, that's great. Yeah, because me too. I mean, I was fucked using the DX trade. That was, I don't know, it's just kind of like, even though people saying that it looks like trading view. No, I don't give a shit. It sucks. I mean, no. I know that pain, and I'm lucky that Funded Peak still have this MetaTrader 5, and especially because I'm not living in the US, so I can still use that. Pretty good. And I believe also some. Oh yeah, you can see this trade. And I not gamble. I trade this shit like absolutely barbaric. I use mega lot, mega contract. Imagine making one trade in $21 million, and my equity is 32.8 million. So this was a successful trade. Let me see the trading execution. Yeah, that one. So the first one was executed here, yeah, this, and then got stopped. One sold, one stopped. This one the bought and stopped, and this one one I took yesterday, returning back, and then entry was there, then let it run overnight. It's like this is the most I got. 1, 2, 3 handles, but that's kind of long, but it's worth it. How long was it? How can I see that? It's from 11:38 to almost like, I don't know, 9 hours. Yeah. You got it. Okay, let's jump back to the backtesting now. Okay. Okay, so where do I left the chart? I don't remember. So yeah. So this is me starting at the London session. I will mark the 15 minutes liquidity, which is going to be at this Asia high. Damn, what the fuck is that accent? And then the Asia sell side. There you go. We have both. And then as we can see, the buy side has been ran by this move. If I look at the market here, I would have been caught, because I see this thing. This is the minus OB, right? If I would have see the market here, I would be damned. Say that I entered here, I will be really damned. Stop loss. And that's why, to avoid this kind of thing, wait until the next session. This one is like a nothing. It is like a session opening. I don't know what time it is, but stick to the kill zones, because that could eliminate potential bad trades, right? So then after London start at 2 a.m., which is right here. Okay, what do I see here? We have this high. I think I need a what's that thing? Highlighter. Okay, how do I use this? Okay, that's good. Color, make it orange, yellow, and also bright orange. Fuck, god damn it, orange. There you go. So we have highest swing high. After that we have this lower high and this lower high, and then also lower high, right? So it clearly that the market is shifting down. And now looking for the blocks, I would look for the swing low. We have this one, we have that one, we have that one, right? So looking at the closest, which is this one, this is the closest swings, high and lows that we have. I will eliminate this because that's been in the past, or I don't know, that's just the style that I'm working right now. I only look to the freshest, the closest, and in this case the price is creating a swing high, swing low, a lower high, and then take out this swing low. What does that mean? That means we have a mitigation candle forming here. Which one? By the book, it is saying that the bearish mitigation block is going to be the last candle or the consecutive downside candle to the swing low that get run, which in this case is going to be this one. This is a bearish mitigation block. It could be marked as a whole. I think if we come to the 5 minutes, yeah, that's the whole candle of 5 minutes. But I'll stick to this and eliminating, reducing the risk. I will just use this last candle, and then the entry could be on this candle when it's formed like that, right? Because this candle has closed below the swing low, then this is already a valid mitigation block, and while this candle is reaching up, so open is here and then reaching up, we can enter based on that. But in this case we missed, but after this candle finished, we have another bearish FEG. Yes, so we have FEG inside of a mitigation block. There's two types of entry that can be done here. Either you want to limit back to the FEG or to the mitigation block. Stop loss is above this high, and then the target could be low hanging fruit, which is going to be here. Or if I'm crazy enough, I will target this one. I don't know. That's the Asia low, right? So let's just do that. I don't know. And since the ratio of the stop, I'll bring it to 10. I hit tight stop loss. So since the ratio is kind of good here, which we have 1 to 3 risk to reward, in sake of this, I will just enter the market instantly and not limiting. I will only limit if I see this candle not formed yet. There's a promo at Maven Trading where you can get a 5k account for 19. I got a 10k. What? Is that legit though? What is Maven Trading? Maven Trading. In this type of situation, we really need to get everything right. 2 step, 1 step, 1 step standard, 2 steps, 5 daily, 4%, 8%, equity based. This is dangerous. I would like to see if that's balance based. I can look. Oh yeah, it's kind of cheap. 10k for 8. What? There's 2k? What the fuck? Is that not I believe that the majority of ICT concept on quote is going to refer on the 2022 model, but I don't see it. Is it mentioned on the ebook? I missed it. It's called this ICT Bible, but I believe on the video it mentioned the 2022. I don't remember. My brain does not have such a power to remember that thing. Yeah, I think the author of this Ali Khan is mentioning that on the video. after 1:30. Yeah, 1:30 is going to be the London True Open. If combined with the quarterly theory by Daye, that would be it. And yeah. But I don't know what I don't think that it's referring to a specific thing, because I like to mix this. They work, and I just make another model based on that. So okay, we have the position mapped here. Let's see how it goes. Signal get fucked. If I put a limit, that would have been triggered too. Okay, it burst. This could be a failing setup, but I don't know. I don't care. So let me mark this to the opening of silver bullet. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my signal. Okay, that got stopped right at the silver bullet opening here. Oh no, yeah, it's actually silver bullet opening. So this one got stopped, but we did a good run of 10 handles, 1-to-1. If I were trading in the real account, that would have been my break-even point. But since this is a backtesting, I'll leave it like that. I might make mistakes regarding of that, because I'm still new to this model, but stay with me. Okay, so this is the silver bullet starting now. We're still aiming for the downside. Let's see the dealing range. Here we have one. Yes, we have this dealing range, and we are trading in the premium. Still looking for a sell. Now in this case again, silver bullet hour, after the volatility has started. Where's the swing low? Here, this one. We got the high run, and then we also get a BPR here. This is a minus BPR. That could have been an entry. The other one will be okay. Now this downside has been taken, and now what this mean? What do we have here? We have swing high and low. The swing high got run, and then the low also got run. We have another mitigation block. No, that's breaker. Breaker block is going to be this one, either from this to this or that candle. This is a minus BB. Okay. Does it has to be closed below, or just or it's valid even just by a wick? Let me see. So breaker block. Oh yeah. I will also share this ebook on the Discord channel. Where is the block? Here it is. Oh, the block, the breaker. Buy stop trigger. Oh, it has to be closed. Runs below the previous swing low. It closed. The image representing that the candle is closing below the swing and not wicking. And then after close, it came back to that, and then the run began. So that's not yet a valid one, I think, because it's just wicking. Let's see what's the next move give us. Still just doing that. Okay, now it's a valid one of a breaker block. But looking at where the price is reacting here, I want to see to the left what is there. There's a bullish FEG right here. Oh, it's respecting this. Does this count as a BPR or IFEG? I think this one is minus IFEG, right? It respected that, and it's also located inside of this breaker, first breaker. So let's see what this gonna give us. Boom. Okay, it came back to the breaker. I'll put the entry here. The default will be 15. Handle stop loss, but I'll make it here. I know that the breaker is only here and this could be the setup, but I would like to be on the end of this FEG, and the target will be on the original sell side of Asia, which is this one. The ratio is still good of 1 to 1.5, which is already running down. Let's try this one. Sell. Okay, that's a pretty good one. Even though the ratio was not that tight. I mean, as I mentioned, if the breaker block or the blocks are valid, you can confidently put the stop loss on where the block itself is sitting, right? In this case, it's this one. If that's the case, this is a 1.4 risk to reward ratio, and the 1% of this is turning into a 4% of profit. But since I am not so sure about this, I put it up here, and the 1% turns into 1.5%, but it's still a good one. Who doesn't want 1% in a trade, right? People are calling 1% should be achieved within a week, 2 weeks, a month, and then now we show up getting 1% in a single trade. How crazy is that? Okay, so that one is a successful one. Now after that done, I would also like to see the reaction after the sell side is getting taken, right? So I will leave that. The buy side is also gone, but we have a new buy side of this London high here, right there, buy side, and then yeah. So looking at this sell side here, Asia low has been run. I will watch the candle. Okay, what do we do there? Do we have another sell side to the left? We have this one, which is still far away. It's still like 30 handles to the downside. Let's see what's the price. If it coming back up with something, I'll take that. Okay, now we have this interesting swing low, higher low, swing high. Now what's it going to do? Oh, it took out this, then it's not. Continue. Okay, now what the fuck are you trying to do? Oh, the silver bullet just end at 4 a.m. and then we see the prices moving back up. Let's see the reaction. Okay, we have this FEG is respected here. This is a plus FEG. Okay, it seems to be respected, but let's see. No, it's still closing inside, but no, it's not. Let's see. This got violated, the low. I'm sorry, I'm using so many terms on, liquidity run. Like I used to say it a run, purge, whatever it is. But you get what I mean. I believe me. Okay, what do we have here? boom, boom, boom. Okay, so we have low, high, lower high, I mean higher low. Does it? Oh, it's not yet. Boom. How is it now? Still not. Boom, boom, boom. Oh no. So it's still not valid. Delete everything. That's just the thing that I would like to do every single basis. Okay, it run down. I think it's going to finally reach this sell side. Okay, that's good. We have another point of interest to be looking at right now, and this could be a better setup here. Okay. Do we have a breaker here? We have so many swing low. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. That one was not taken, but that one taken, this one taken, this one taken, right? And we have bunch of higher high, and from this, that is formed with this. So that's not. Are you gonna call this a mitigation block? Let's see the reaction of it. Boom, bum, 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 bum. Oh, okay. Still respected the 50% of it. Bum, bum, bum. The price is so choppy. Okay, then no, it's not. I'm also concerned that's not a good one. Let's see. Now it's 5 p.m. I don't see anything interesting. Okay, now we have this swing high. We also have this swing high, and we have this swing low, and by this we have this mitigation block. It's a bullish one. It could be this two consecutive up close candle before the swing high, or I would like to, in this case, I would like to use that. Let's see. Boom, we have FVG here overlapping with the mitigation block. It's a plus FVG, and then boom, the price is coming down now to pick that up. Okay, it picked up. If you put a limit there, it might be not picked up because of the spread, but if you're manually entering a trade, that will be it. Mine will be there. The default setup is 15 handles. Oh yeah, exactly where I want it to be. And then let's bring it 7. This is the 7 a.m. silver bullet window. I'll target, in this case it's kind of hard to target something, but the low hanging fruit should be there. It's more than the 30 handle default target. It's 45 handle. Let me see the 15 minutes if we can see anything. There's also this inefficiency. This is a CB. We can also target that, or even to fill that, or even to the buy side. I don't know, I don't care. Let's see. And then place order, instant 2%. Boom. Is this going to be a good setup or no? I don't think it is. Okay, we got stopped again. Now let's see. Okay, it's still going down. Okay. Oh, okay. So I wouldn't recommend taking this trade because it's outside of the kill zones. But sometimes I'm just being me, you know. So now let's remove drawings and move on to the New York session. So remark everything: London high, London low, and do we have another 15 minutes here? We have that one, and we have that one. Okay, sell sign. Good. Okay, we ran the London low. We also ran this sell side, and looks like we are shifting already here. That would have been look like that, the entry. Okay, so these are the run that liquidated this one, this pool, and then we come back up. So the freshest swing that I see is this one, and the low is this one. Now that one also run. Okay, no, this is not it. But okay, referring back to the left. No, it's not. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Boom. Boom. This is another block on 3 minutes, right? What is the book? Let me read the book. Candle after swipe and then closed above. So this one is the last candle to wipe this, and then the next candle close above or even higher. Let me mark this as an order block right here, which is we are there right now, plus OB on 3 minutes. Now in this case, let's see the Fibonacci here. I believe that it's changing structure, and we are at the 62%, which is the optimal trade entry, and we're also on a discount here. I will risk this entry. Stop will be, I'll put it 15, just to not get in stop and then left by the price. Take profit will be there, 110, 40 handles. But for the safer option, we can go to this relative equal highs here on the 5 minutes, or even to this one. Yeah, that's 40 handles, but I'll just put it there and then move the trade to break even after we hit this level. All right, I'll mark it here. Boom. Let's see. Boom, boom. 2%. Go. Boom. The thing that I'm afraid of, I just said it while I'm clicking the pause button. Things that I'm afraid of trading the early AM session is going to be the 8:30, which is this one. It could be news happening, liquidity injection, or whatever you call it, and yeah, and also the 9:30 move, which is here. Yeah, so as far as I can remember, just make sure that there's no news here, then you trade. I mean, I was not caring about news here, so I take the trades, and it was running smooth. If I were just to take the, see this, the low hanging fruit right here on my mark, I would have been out even when the news hit, and I secured the 40 handles, right? That's good. but I will prefer to not trade if there's a red folder thing. That candle is wild, of course, and I believe this is a massive news. I don't know, FOMC, what's this, 13, I think this is it's Tuesday. What is Tuesday? CPI? Yeah, but it's still, if it was a live trade, I could just move the stop loss here, or even out, maybe here before the news. If I realize it too late, still out with the 30 handles. That's pretty good. But then, yeah, everything's still good. Oh, where the fuck is that thing run? Let's delete this thing. Really good. Okay, now we are advancing to the 9:30. What is happening at 9:30? Is there any more Sell side, we have this. We have this relative equal low, sell side, and also this sell side. Oh, we took both. How good. And then 9:30 will be in 10 more minutes. Let's go. Oh, that's pretty good. Boom. So this is 9:30. Okay, 9:30 just sent the price lower, even lower. But now let's see what's the reaction on this. If it's okay, no, okay, FEG, there you go. You could have entered here. This is plus FEG. We run this high, and then we left with a higher low. This means this is a mitigation block. Which one? This one. I don't know. Which one? This one. Yeah, this one is the plus mitigation block. Fuck. B, sorry. Boom. Alright. Now the entry could be on the FEG or on the block. Let's see how this thing goes. I'll put the first on the FEG. I'll take the FEG with 50 handle stop loss. That's massive. Or the FEG entry could be just there, and then this will be there. The target, oh, can we reach that out? Maybe 50% of that FEG should do. Maybe yes, maybe not. I will do a order based on the FEG. Instant, I don't care. That's what I will do. Done. Okay, if that was a FEG entry, it would have been triggered the limit. It respected it, tapped into the mitigation block here, entering it, and then comes back up, respecting the mitigation block. This one is also triggered, so both are in play now. And then see what's going to happen. Okay, 10. Speed it up. Then it's silver bullet, and then we got the profit. Boom, there you go. So both of these entries are played out. One at the FEG didn't stop out, only retraced back around, how much is this? Yes, 7 handles of 20 handles, and then it continues the move up, and then we hit the profit. And this mitigation block entry, as you can see, is more precise. Even though it came back one more time, it didn't even go to the break even, but just, tap and then rallied up with the 162 handles. Damn. I don't make this up. You see me drawing and looking at the chart like fresh. I don't even know what the fuck was happening. So this is like a together hindsight, and I don't make this up. I don't sell any course, so what do I try to convince you guys? Okay, so let's see where the price is gonna go. Can it be reaching this buy side? I don't think it will in a short period of time, but I will in the future. That could be. Okay, so it go down after the 50%, it respecting this FEG. So in this case I will just go to sleep, or if I were looking for a sell, I will, somewhere around here. But yeah, that's just too risky because it's already outside of the kill zone, so I will delete everything, the drawing, and then go to the next session. It's gonna be London session. Boom, wake up in a new day, right? And then look for 15 minutes of the Asia session. Here's the high and here's the low. Got that? The high was ran and the low still intact. Okay, the 2 a.m. London Open sent the price a little bit crazy. We took this high, we took that low. What's happening next? Boom, we came back up. Just repricing to this fair value gap. And then we have a clean market structure now. Okay. Some more advanced ICT traders can take this long, but I don't know how. So I will not. I will stick to the buy side. I'm looking for a sell. We have a buy side here. Sorry, it's a buy side. Yeah, we just ran to it. Now let's see what it's going to do. Okay. So what do we have? We have swing high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, while this low ran. Yeah. So we have a mitigation block. The closest will be this one. This one, the small one. It's a minus MB. Twin. No. In this case, there's too many, but I think this one is. It could be this one though. Oh my god. Okay, it respect this. So let me take a short position here. It will be there. How much is 15? Too much. I'll leave it like 12. The target will be on this. Ali Khan said if you catch this correctly, you can catch like the market maker model, because this one is involved in it. Like, see this consolidation, right? And then first phase something, second phase something, and then reversal, first phase something, second phase something, and then return back to the original consolidation. But I don't know, I'm just going to do it like blindly without even touching the market model. On the 15 minute it was IFAD. That's bro, this emoji is closing what you're saying. How it's entered on the 15 minute, it was an I. What even IFAD? Can you explain it? Inverse OFED. I haven't heard about OFED. What is OFED, bro? Oh, this is actually a silver bullet window, no? Oh no, not yet. 2-4. If I talk too fast, I'm sorry, but I'm in a rush. I will be going off to work in 15 minutes, so yeah, I gotta run this thing quick. Let's see this. Place order 2%. Safe in journal. Okay, mitigation block is violated. Then also the high is taken out. Then this one is no more valid. This high is taken out. The next candle is going back down. Then that will be another order block. Oh shit, it's raining. This will be a minus OB. Okay, this could be potentially another entry here on the order block. This one here. Stop loss is, let's say the same, 10 handles, and then target will be the same. Down here, bum 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 bum. Order block is still respected. Entering the silver bullet. Okay, got violated. Both of these are not a good setup. But let's see. Will it go? Oh, it's skyrocketing. What sent it? Now this is a type of entry I don't know how to enter. I mean, I can't really trade with the trend. So if you're asking me about my models, it's always going to be a reversal. I don't know how to trade with the trend because I don't know, it feels like I'm in a FOMO if I'm doing that. You know, on the hindsight, I can see this level is good for entry, right? But if I'm looking at this chart, I don't know, because that's a premium for me. How can I buy from that? Maybe a more advanced ICT student or ICT trader charter can do that, but I'm not. Institutional order flow entry drill. Oh, that's interesting. Which one was it? 15 minutes? Are you mentioning this entry or the previous one? But anyway, that London was failed. Now let's go to the next, which is going to be the New York. As we can see here, the market shifting, but let's do the drill. We delete this, we delete that. We still have the sell side, and we add more sell side here. Sell side, and then buy side. Buy side. Go to 1 minute. Do we break it? No, not yet. And I assume this move will break it. Boom. Perfect. Bum 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 bum. Still going up. Bum 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 bum. Okay. We have IFEG here. IFEG there, and then price respecting it. We also ran this, but no a really good setup. Okay, now we have a clear market structure. This one purged, this one purged. We have swing high and a lower high. Also this one. Interesting. So with this, we should have a mitigation block on the downside, on the swing low. Is it this one? This one, right? Minus MB. So I'll put my entry here. It's gonna be above this. Take profit. Can be here, 34 handle, but I'll target this. I don't care. Let's see, 830 is there. Let's order 2%. Let it run. It still respect the mitigation block and tap into the IFEG, brother. And then now let's see how the market is pricing. Oh shit, my bad. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's good. Run it. It goes up again. Will it tap the stop? Because both of these are violated. I think it's gonna be tapping it real soon. Oh no, still playing out. What the fuck? It's not tapping the swing high. Yeah, still not. Then see, 8:30 is here, no news, so good volatility still. Coming back up. In real life trading condition, at this point I would set my stop loss to break even, because it's already more than 1-to-1 risk to reward, and I'm probably already scared because of this. Okay, now let's see. Continue. Okay, now 9:30 smack that break even and the stop loss of this trade. And then let's see what 9:30 give us. So 9:30 is wiping this buy stops, and then we could potentially look for a sell here after this FVG. It got respected by that. Boom. We have a FVG respected too. Okay, that would have been an entry here too. FVG respected minus FVG, just like that. Now I will see both of the sell side getting purged. I will not enter anything. Oh no, it's actually taking the stop loss if I put my trades there, but eventually that will be taking the sell side. Boom, one. It's entering PM session now. Oh, disconnected from how good. Oh, okay. So only one get tapped. Twice. What is that? News? I think it was. To this, what? Even the news drive the price to the tick. We have equal lows, 3 equal lows. Damn. And I believe it will be run over somewhere during PM session or Asia. I'm just guessing, but turns out it's not. Okay, alright, buddy, you got me. Okay, so that's, I think, the recap of today's, because I have to go to work in 7 minutes. Gotta get dressed up. So let me see how to see. I don't know how to operate this thing. I'm not sure if it's recorded here or do I have to submit it. Yeah, I think I have to submit it with the screenshot and stuff, but I don't have the capability to that. But let me go to the navigation and see the statistic of this. It's this one. I'm calling that a black swan because my name is Swan. The win rate is so fucking crazy. It's only 32%. I mean, crazy in a bad manner, I don't know, but the profit is still good. 19% up. Total trades is 28, 9 winning, 9 losses, 19 losses. God damn it. The win rate is 32. I'll use this -4. So let's see, it was down here because I was playing around, but after I took it serious, it's starting to spool up. Profit, blah blah blah. This was the massive profit of $1,000, and then go back, bum 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 bum, go back up, bum 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 bum, and we ended up here. It was 2,000 time. Imagine earning 2,000 with 10,000 account in span of 10 days. Max Risk to reward is 6, average is 3, that's good. Ideal average risk to reward, what the fuck is this mean? The average risk to reward ratio, okay. Could have been BE. So this is the overall statistic. With this one, I believe I can take as much losses but then recovered so fast in one trade. As you can see here, boom, losing, but then I have a one winning trade here. It just sent the account back to profit, and then sent another one, and then this one, see, lose, just sent the account back. That's just a crazy thing about this. I mean, if looking at my position right now, which I can take it as accurate as possible, I can manage the risk as good as possible, because I know there are lots of great traders out there that can eliminate bad trades. Maybe they have another checklist to filter out bad trades, and then they can enter one, and then that one specific trade will be guaranteed profits. There are, but I'm not yet. So I'm still like, risking here and there, but as long as the risk is controlled with a good risk to reward ratio, I think this strategy will work out. And I will continue to backtest this more to see how it goes, maybe until today's date. I backtest this on the February, and then we still have like 30 days coming to gather the data, and I'll come back later again with the live stream. Not sure when, but I'll surely be continuing this. Okay, so if you want to seek for this thing I'm doing right now, just tune in the Discord channel if you want to, or if not, just wait for me to go and stream again. So yeah, thank you. Thanks. You would have passed a challenge, of course. This one, for most average prop firm, will breach the account because it's -1,000. But please ignore this because I was just testing things out here. But after this one, you see, just after this, on February Tuesday 6th, this one I started to get on how to read the blocks. This one was not. Like, I'm confused which one was this block or that block or blah 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 blah. Then this one I clicked on the block. Oh, this one is the block. Oh, this one is mitigation. This one is breaker. Then everything works out. And then the 8% achieved a couple of days later, or maybe a couple of trades later, tomorrow, like 1 or 2 days, and the overall is 19%. That's crazy. But you'd have breached it with that drawdown, of course, the 1,000. But in funded picks or some prop firms that has maybe 12% of drawdowns, this should be still good. But yeah, that's not the case. And as I said, please ignore this because let's say that I'm just starting to apply the theory here, and I was truly messed up here, not knowing which one is what block, which one is PD arrays and stuff. Even though I just started here and then boom, click, and then these are the thing. From this 1014 to this, it's actually minus 1,200 too. It's minus 12%. If that was a I mean, you know, you get it. And I know that I still have to make some more checklists on the filter to make sure that I eliminate bad trades. I don't give a damn adding more good trades, but I do concern to eliminate bad trades. Like this one, these are 3 consecutive bad trades. 4, 5. No, let's count this 4. If I could eliminate 1 or 2 of this, maybe it's because of news or because of outside of the kill zone, and then that may be a good point to add to the checklist so I don't take it in the future. And then that's it. So thanks man for hanging around. You're the absolute brother. And I hope your trading journey is also in a good shape, in a good everything, and I'll support you too. Let's head to the top together, and yeah, I hope to see you soon in the other day. Thank you very much for tuning in. I need to go to work now. Thanks man, have a good one.